David and Anna were a happy couple living with their children in a small but warm home. One evening, Anna was ironing her favorite dress while David sat nearby watching television. Anna asked David to keep an eye on the dress for a moment while she went to check something in another room. David agreed, but he became completely distracted by the funny TV show he was watching. A few minutes later, he suddenly smelled smoke. He quickly turned around and saw flames burning Anna's favorite dress. David panicked and tried to stop the fire, but the dress was already badly damaged. At that exact moment, Anna walked back into the room and saw what had happened. She became very upset because the dress was very special to her. It was her favorite dress, and she had loved it for many years. David apologized many times, but Anna was still angry and disappointed. Feeling hurt and frustrated, she decided to leave the house for a while and go stay at her mother's home. After Anna left, the house felt very quiet and empty. David sat sadly on the couch thinking about his mistake. The children could see that their father was upset. One of them asked gently, "Dad, why are you sad?" David sighed deeply and admitted that he had made their mother angry by burning her favorite dress. The children also missed their mother very much. Even though they tried to play games together to make the mood better, everyone still felt something was missing in the house. David became tired from stress and sadness, so he lay down on the couch for a short nap while the children continued playing nearby. A little later, the children became hungry and woke David up asking for food. David wanted to prove that he could take care of everything while Anna was away, so he confidently went to the kitchen to cook dinner. He opened the freezer and found a frozen chicken. However, the chicken was extremely hard like ice, and David did not know the best way to prepare it.